Okay, so I wasn't planning on vlogging today. I actually filmed a video to post on Monday, so I don't know if I'll post this video before or after, or post them both at the same time. But I just wanted to vlog today, even though I wasn't planning on it. It's like 2:30 and I'm just now starting it, so welcome to today's video. This morning I hung out with Coda outside, and that's when we filmed the video. And then I talked to a good friend on the phone for a couple hours. And yeah, haven't really done much. I was planning on going to work today, but then I ended up not needing to go in, which, so it was nice because then I got a surprise day off. Um, yeah, so right now Coda and I walked down to Emily and I's future house. There it is behind me, and I'm just in the backyard. We walked down here because I wanted to be outside, even though Emily and I are planning on going on another walk later today. But I wanted to be outside, and I remembered that the plants, the pumpkins that I planted, probably should be watered. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I just finished watering the pumpkin patch, and I decided that I would give a little tour of the backyard area. I would tour the inside, except for I want to wait until it's done to show you all what it looks like. And I don't have the keys to get in the house because I wasn't originally planning on walking down here. So let's get started. Okay, so this side is where all of the junk is. I'm hoping that it will go away because I really don't like it there. Right here is where I planted the pumpkins. Last year Emily and I planted a bunch of herbs, and I feel like they're growing this year. There's lots of little sprouts, like that one, and there's some weeds that I need to pull, and those, like they're all over. I don't think I would mind if they sprouted and grew. Here's this giant tree that we have. I really want to hang like a swing or a hammock on it. I think that would be a lot of fun and really nice to enjoy out here. Right here we have this cherry tree. Last year I think I saw 2 cherries grow on it, so hopefully we can get some more. It kind of died a little bit last year, but it seems to be doing pretty good so far. We have over here, there's this weird thing. I used to have like a giant squirrel right there that was broken, and last year I took a rock to it and broke it off. So that was kind of fun. We're thinking about putting like a bowl or something so it looks like a bird bath, since we can't get rid of this because it's like cemented in there. Over here we have some pretty flowers. I'm not really sure what's going to whatever grows here, but there's just like a bunch of weeds and flowers, and it kind of looks nice. I planted some more tulips there, so maybe they'll grow next year. And then we have a clothesline where I'm excited because I can hang my dresses outside to dry, which will be nice. There's some greenery, and then there's Coda down there. So yeah, that's our backyard. It needs a lot of work done to it. But yeah, I think it's pretty nice. It's a lot bigger than the backyard that I currently have, and I look forward to living here and being able to spend nice warm days like this back here and enjoy it. I think Coda and I are going to head back home and get ready to head to Emily's to be with Emily and Teddy for the rest of the day. I think we're gonna order a pizza and go for a walk and have a picnic outside, which will be really nice. So I guess that's all for right now. Hey. Okay, so I'm back home now in my room before I go to Emily's, but I wanted to tell you, this morning when I was outside with Coda, we heard a deer sneeze, and it startled me because I didn't know what the noise was and where it was coming from. So I have a little video clip of the deer sneezing, so I'll attach that right after this one. There's a deer out here, and it keeps making weird noises. It's like sneezing. Okay, this head I found in the storage room when I was cleaning it out, and I've been hiding it around the house, and my dad's been hiding it back. It was Emily's from beauty school. So I found it in my bathroom. It was just like in the cupboard. I've been looking around to see where my dad hid it. So I'm going to go and hide this head somewhere in the house to scare him. Okay, so I hid the head, and I've got a picnic blanket and this lavender soda for Emily in case she wants it or wants it sometime during the summer. And we are going to, Coda and I, as I say we, are gonna go head down to Emily's house. Coda is panting a lot. Emily and I just finished our dinner at the park. It was delicious, and we've got lots of leftovers, which is good. We'll be covered for the next week. Just kidding. Emily's just taking selfies down on the ground trying to find a good angle. But yeah, I think after we're done here we'll head home and maybe watch The 100. And yeah, I guess that's our day.
I like how you call Amber's house home.
Yeah, well, it's basically my other home. I have 3 homes: the home I live in, the home I work at, and Amber and Emily's home. And also, I guess, our future house, if we ever live there. Yeah. Okay, so I made it back from Emily and Amber's house, and I'm just in my usual spot in my room. Emily and I watched The 100, and it was a pretty good episode. A couple weeks ago, after we finished watching an episode, I said that I made the comment that if Octavia were ever in the Hunger Games, she would be the one to win. And today's episode that we watched was basically the Hunger Games, and Octavia did win. So yeah, it's kind of fun to have called it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do much the rest of the night. So thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye!